Hello everyone, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to change PlayStation 5 controller color on PC. Let's go. Open DS for Windows app. Connect your DualSense controller to PC. Profiles. Create profile. Choose controller color. Now you can change the color of the controller. It only works when the DS for Windows application is enabled. That's it. Now you know how to change PlayStation 5 controller color on PC. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.